28th of October 2021. Short poem narrated by Montu. All rights reserved. Copyright Montu. The images associated with this poem, I own no rights to them, no copyright. They are not mine. Mother Nature. Mother Nature, I know you're getting ready to kill us. Please, don't do this to us. It's rich buggers. They are culling prime trees for timber. Take them out. Make it impossible for them to breed. Kill them, not us. We don't have their money, power or greed. We poor. We don't write polluting policies that make rich buggers fly off in rocket ships to space. Oh God, how I wish they'd stay up there. So please, don't kill us, Mother Nature. Get the rich buggers. Be nice to see billionaires choking, their money useless to them. Now they'll be aware of how they make our lives miserable. We won't miss them.